Hello everyone and welcome back to Painting with Martin. Today it looks like this. This is my painting station. It's of course messy as it normally is. I just filmed an unboxing video for the M3 Stewart tank and I'm preparing to assemble it. Before I'm going to do this, I'm actually going to show you my painting setup, and it's going to be messy, but I'm going to show you not the painting setup per se, but also how I store my paints. And you can store this in a variety of ways. I used a wooden setup with broken token before. They were really good, but they take some space. So what I did is I opted for a custom version, which means that I'm going to take a look up here. This is what it looks like, and this is actually a Ikea Skådis or Skådis, which is kind of a wall mounted, or you can also put it on the desks over here with some bolts and nuts. Really easy to assemble, and it's not like most Ikea stuff, sorry about that. And then I have these custom printed, 3D printed pot holders. As you can see here, these are perfect for Citadel, and they hold them perfectly, really well. So since I'm based out of Israel, and you can, I have the guy who actually does these for me. So if you're based here and you're looking to get similar pot holders like this is quite an easy, affordable and really cool solution for all your paints. And for those of you who are actually wondering what about Vallejo, yes, you can actually fit this with Vallejo as well. It looks like this, has little back holders here. I'm going to show you how to attach them like this. So it's very easy. You take this one and you simply hook it up over here, and you can store the Vallejo. So let me see here. Okay, no, not this. Let's see if like doing like this, a little bit easy. It fits in perfectly. There's no leakage, there's no spilling, and it fits both the new Vallejo, the old Vallejo, the game series, as well as war paints. So for those of you who are painting for these dropper bottles, this is a perfect solution for you. And it doesn't take much space, and you can easily reach them. You can see what they are as well, and you can see here as well with the Citadel, you can easily see what kind of paint you're having in front of you. So if you like this solution and you want to have some more information how to proceed with it, there are some free samples for these ones that you can download on the internet if you have a 3D printer. And I'm not good with 3D printing at all, so that's why I pay someone else to do it. It required a little bit of tweaking, but it can be done. And Ikea Skådis is a very affordable solution, and of course, I chose to mount this on my desk. You can mount it on the wall as well, but that means you get the paints out of your way, while at the same time you can also see them. And I think it looks quite nice. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please consider liking and especially subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.